Hi, my name's Matt and welcome to our Progress Road project nestled amongst the treetops of Alpha. So this bathroom is actually considered a Jack and Jill bathroom, and what that means is it has two entry points. So the door behind me leads from the master bedroom, and where I'm currently standing was the existing ensuite. What our clients Dan and Steph wanted to do was open this wall up and create a large family bathroom that's still attached to their master bedroom. So the main feature of this bathroom design is our curved wall. We've used this wall to create a separate shower and bath area, as well as hiding the toilet. Not only does the curve look good visually, but it also protects the remaining space of the bathrooms, the vanity unit and the space in front of the door where we don't want to get shower spray. The brief in regards to the colour palette and selections that we use in this bathroom space was to keep it quite neutral and timeless. We've used predominantly a large scale grey tile on the floor and the wall, with the curve having a matte white Kit Kat shaped tile. Our joinery division handcrafted all of the cabinetry components for this project, which included a vanity unit and a shaving cabinet. We've kept the theme of the curves consistent throughout the space, which is great in a family bathroom where there are no sharp edges.